Good morning, everybody. Adam, coming at you once again. All right, let me bring you up to speed here. We are currently on the O&W Trail, right out of Simpson, Pennsylvania. This is, I don't know if it's part of the Heritage Trail or not. The Heritage Trail is actually on the other side of the river. This is on the opposite side, but parallels it all the way up. This trail is open to ATV use. That's one reason why I try to get out here so early. Another reason why, oh, look at the deer. Look at the deer. Did you see him? Another reason why is we are in the middle of a heat wave right now. It's been 90 plus degrees every day for like the past week. So I wanted to get out here nice and early to beat the heat and try to enjoy myself without the ruckus of ATVs running past me on this trail. The place that we're going to right now is somewhere I haven't been to since I was a kid. It's called Panther's Creek or Panther's Bluff. I don't exactly remember, but I remember it being pretty neat with a pool drop scenario. This might be a cool place for JP videos to check out if it turns out as cool as what I remember. But anyway, let's continue up the trail here and see what we can find. I was walking down the rail bed, the abandoned rail bed, and I noticed like a little kind of rock outcropping type of thing. I came down to take a look, and check this out. That's really cool. It goes to the other side of the rail bed over there. An old culvert or something like that. Did not expect to see that. Well, this is, I believe this is like the original rail bed from like way back when. I couldn't even give you a year. But just the stonework. Look at that. Is that fantastic or what? That's pretty neat. Pretty neat. So I found a little trail that was off the side of the rail trail that went up the mountain. And I came up and it came to another rail bed. And I walked out a little ways and I found this cool rock cut up on the side of the mountain here that a rail bed used to come through. Look at this. Is that neat or what? Huh. Man, there's all kinds of hidden gems around here. Pretty neat, pretty neat. But anyway, I think I'm going to head back this way, which is the way I came. I don't want to go too far. I don't know if this is private property or what. I didn't see any. I saw signs going the other way. I saw signs going the other way, but not this way. And somebody came and did some work here, because if you look, see all these trenches that are dug out? This is all hand dug, and there's footprints all over the place. So I don't know. Something is screwy. You know what? It looks like there might be something up on top up here. I wonder if I could get over here and kind of take a gander up there. Let's climb up here. Oh no, there's nothing. It's just a rock face. But there had to be a reason why they made this rock cut. But if you look, this whole ditch is dug all the way out. So apparently somebody has plans to do something here. What? I don't know. Well, everyone, I walked a little ways down that trail. Come to find out, I was on the Panther Creek Preserve. And I walked down that rail bed a little bit farther, and I came to what looks like the upper falls. This is neat. There's an old dam or bridge embankment or something. Oh man, look at that. Whoa! Holy shnikes. You want to see here? There's Panther Creek Nature Preserve. Look at the waterfall. There's looking down. We're gonna loop around and come up towards from the bottom in a little while. But I believe this is what they call the upper falls. Look at this. This is really cool, these bridge abutments here. I wonder how high we can make it up here. Everything's a little damp, so I don't want to slip and fall. But look at this. Holy crap. I don't know if you get a size perspective, but this is tall. I'll tell you what, it looks like there's a little trail that you could climb up right here. I'm gonna put the camera away and do that. Whew. Check this out. Holy crap. Look at that. That thing is huge. I hope you get the size perspective because it is, that's high. That's really high. And here's looking down. Looks like there's an old mine entrance right there that was blown shut. I don't feel no air moving out of it, but there's definitely a hole there. But look at that. Let's walk over here. I don't know if there's any kind of pool or anything. I'm gonna tilt this camera back. There you go. Holy cow. That's something. Alright, let's continue exploring this place. Alright, this is standing on top of the waterfall here, looking down. Holy cow, look at that. Drop, drop, keeps on going. Is that awesome or what? Let me hold this a little steadier. Look at that. It looks like there's something over here. Alright, let's go over here. There's a trail. We'll take the trail up and see exactly where we go. And this is a maintained trail. There's a blaze on it, so apparently this trail is blazed. It's a marked, it's a known trail. I did not know that. It looks like there might have been some kind of dam or something up here. Maybe this is a little type of pond or something up here. I don't exactly know. I just don't like, there's all deadfall here. I can't really see because it's bright. Oh. Looks like there, at one time, there was some kind of pond or something here. Alright, it wasn't as bad as I thought to get over here, but look at all these rocks. And this is prime friggin' copperhead and rattlesnake territory, so I'm not too enthusiastic about it. But look at this rock face. It's like walking up a hallway. Flip you around here. Look at this. Man, this is neat. Now, I gotta cross this, which it looks slippery. Be very careful. And it keeps going up. Look at that. This is awesome. Whew. Starting to get muggy. Well, not starting to, it is muggy. This hole doesn't look that deep. Maybe 3 feet at its deepest. But man, beautiful. And this is not far from me. This is, like I said, I was a little kid last time I was here. Probably preteens. Maybe 13, 14 at the latest. I don't remember any of it. I just know I was here. But it is... I'm sorry I'm not looking at the camera. I'm just in awe looking all around here. This is amazing. But... alright. Let's keep exploring around. This is just beautiful. And the temperature is starting to climb. That's for sure. Oh yeah, is that neat or what? Walk out here on JP's Nature's Carpet. There's looking down there. And then up, you can't even see the top of the falls. It's around the bend a little bit. Man, this is fantastic. Let's go. Get back a little bit. Look at, is that crazy or what? Apparently part of that wall must have got washed out at some point and they poured concrete on it. I do find it kind of weird. You know, maybe this wasn't for a railroad coming through here. Maybe this is a water call for the steam engines back in the day. I know there are a few of them in the valley, and let me get over here and I'll explain that just a little bit more. Now that I'm looking at this, I don't think this was a bridge abutment. I think this may have been what they used to call a water call for the steam engines back in the day. And what they would do is they would get small streams like this and build these small little dams. And if you see that where it looks like an indentation where there's a pipe, what they would do is it was a small little dam that would hold a little bit of water, and they would run a pipe down to the train tracks. So when the steam engines would come through, they had a place where they would stop and they'd be able to fill up with water. They used to call it a water call. I wonder if that's what this was, because after looking at this and seeing that it goes nowhere over this way, that maybe that's what this was a water call. Now that I'm looking at it, and I've seen quite a few of these throughout this valley in the past. But Alrighty, let's continue down the trail. Let's try to hit the lower falls and see what that looks like. Look at this. Is this picturesque or picturesque? Picture, you know what I mean. Look at that. Yeah. Oh man. Let's take a walk up these rocks and hope we don't kill ourselves. These are the lower falls of Panther Creek Preserve. I seem to remember a trail, maybe this is it, to get up to here. This is a little bit deeper hole. There's a lot of junk in there, branches and stuff like that. But this is what I remember as a kid. I remember this rock slide going down into this hole. Holy cow, that hole is deep. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, that's, wow, that's gotta be every bit of 5 feet deep right there. Okay, we were continuing just walking up this rock face here, trying to see what we could find. The big boulder right in the middle there. It's slippery. I'm taking my time. These shoes aren't the greatest for algae covered rocks, which I don't know of any shoe that really is. Look at this. Holy cow. Okay. Imagine when the water's really rushing here. That's a nice picture right there. Look at that. I'm gonna take one right now. Let's see here. Nice, nice. All right, I'm gonna put you away just for a second, and so I could climb up over here and we'll take a look what we can find. All right, I decided to film this so that way if I fall you guys can see me, but also just check out how cool this is. That's a deep hole right there. And I think we are coming up to the bottom of where that, the waterfalls, where the waterfall is. I think so. I'm not absolutely sure. No, apparently not. It keeps on going. Look at this. Man, this is neat. It's a tunnel. Look at the tunnel. Oh, look at the old piece of steel. That's probably from the mining era. Look at that. It's a nice little slip and slide right there. Just wouldn't want to hit those rocks. But look at, oh my God. You know, I'm gonna turn around. I want to take a picture of this tunnel looking up here. Actually, well, you know what? I'm gonna be going back down. I gotta go back down this way. So, well, I'll do it on the way back down. Why try to fall twice when I only have to fall once? Might actually be able to get a picture of it going this way. No, it doesn't look as cool. Looks a lot better from the other side. Ooh, this might be a dragging video on this section, but holy cow, is this slick. Is this slick. I might have to slide down this on my butt. Holy cow. Come on. Come on. Oh, God. There you go. This is just really neat. And it keeps on going. Look at look at that. Holy cow. Alright, this is a little sketchy, so for real, I'm going to put the camera away and wait till I get up there to see if I find anything neat. This is fantastic. And it looks like we're coming up to another decent sized waterfall right there. Let's grab and we'll go. Looks like I might have a little better grip on this rock. It's more mossy. It's mossy and not algae. Holy crap, look at this. Now I know for a fact that the upper falls are right there. Would you look at that? Guys, this is neat. I can't believe that I've never came here before. This is fantastic. Whew. Now I know I could probably climb that, but I'm not going to. I already know what's up here. We did the upper falls before. This must be the lower falls. I could actually see the trail where I walked up before. It's right up there. So yeah, we are right here below the upper falls. But anyway, all right, let me enjoy this view for a little bit. I'm gonna take a few pictures and we'll get back to you in a bit. All right, we are now down here on the rail trail. You may recognize this or not, but this is the trail that we snowmobile on. A little different here in the summertime, that's for sure. But anyway, let's gonna walk up here a little ways. I heard that there's something that might be up here cool to check out, so let's go do that. And if there's something cool, I'll bring out. If not, I'm gonna turn around and head back to the car, because there's another place I want to go check out that should be pretty cool. Well, this is pretty cool. It's a pretty deep swimming hole right here. Looks like the Lackawanna, this is the Lackawanna River. Splits around this big rock here on either side. And this hole looks deep. That looks really deep. And it sounds like there's some kind of waterfall on the other side there. I don't know if we can get over there to see it. Oh yeah, look at the little rush of water right there. Yeah, this hole's pretty darn deep. This is probably the only part of the Lackawanna that you'd want to swim in. Up here, where it starts, it's not polluted after going through a town. Now, actually, the Lackawanna is a very clean river. Back in the day, it was very polluted, but now it holds like the largest wild brown trout population in the U.S. or something like that. It's something weird like that. They've made a lot of efforts to clean up the Lackawanna River, and I'll tell you what, the fishing is fantastic in this river. I've caught some monsters out of it. Well, let's take a little walk down here. It looks like a little campsite that, of course, people can't pick up their garbage. This would be a nice place to stealth camp. Backpack up here, stay the night, and then head out in the morning. Awesome. This is the bridge on the rail trail. This is quite impressive for the rail trail. Look how high we are. Oh, there's the gas pipeline they put through a couple years ago. This kind of reminds me of Jim Thorpe, of how high the bridge is over the water. That is nuts. Hey guys, I just got back to the car, and I realized that I have to take my mom shopping, and it's already getting late because some of the places she has to go to closes early. So with that said, I'm not going to be able to go to the other spot that I wanted to, but that will be coming up in an upcoming video. So make sure you tune in to check it out, because it's pretty cool from what I remember and what I've read online. And you know what, I do want to brush up my history on it a little bit before I make the video, so this gives me a good opportunity to do so. So if you would, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and watch out for my next video. See ya. Out.